I'm on that trail, the yellow trail at Corsons Inlet, and I think I'm going to be coming to the water soon, the ocean soon. It's getting stronger and stronger. You can hear it pounding. I think I'm getting there close. Anyway, it's just a lovely, lovely walk. Good smells. Not much moving around other than the the wind blowing the shrubs and the bushes and the what are they called? The plums, the wild plums that grow here. Coming up, I think. Yeah, good sign. A lot of shells. That's a good sign. So I am getting closer to the breach. I should say you hear it? Can you hear it pounding? Or that's my heart, I'm sorry. Gotta hear that. I guess you go this way. God, everything's been stripped off, I'm sure, from the... There you are, you look back to what you've walked through and back onto more towards the dunes and dunes. Let's keep going, Mike. I see a rise up here. It's probably the top of the... I think I'll swim to France, get some Corsons. Done it before. Up! A rabbit. Ooh. Whoa. That's some rough stuff. Oh yeah. Hey, Jim.